You're right in the bathroom down. I see you right on and off, man.
It took all 5 events, but Jason Khalifa and the rest of the U.S. team finally announced that they were happened last year in Berlin. This was the difference right here, and that's Canada just couldn't figure this tire out fast enough.
This is where it all started to fall apart for them, and they just weren't able to get it down there. But it was USA who started off sprinting in this event. Their team gelled even more. They did everything they could to put themselves in that position. They didn't know what was going to happen behind them, but they did look, showing that they had no weaknesses on this team.
And I don't think across the board they had any weaknesses. Even when they didn't do the best necessarily, they did the best for them. They had, when Emily Bridges is getting her PRs and Julie Fouché is tying her PRs, like those important things to get to that point where you finish up.
The final score, the Americans with 16, Canada with 13, Europe with 12, Australia with 7. Let's send it down to Dave.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your 2014 CrossFit Invitational Team Champions, USA!
Let's send it down to the land of the
Hey guys, I'm down here with Team USA. You're the champions here. Rich, Jason, I know you guys have a lot of emotion coming into this. You put away redemption. How does it feel to come out of this hot spot?
Awesome. We really got to spend some time together as a team, and I think we worked amazingly as a team. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and we all work well together. And really showed on the team events. The last event, we were all having the same brain, so it was awesome.
Now, I know you guys are definitely the favorite coming in, but you weren't in the lead the entire time. What does that say about the level of fitness just around the world?
Yeah, I think that specifically, when you can look at it, this is the first year we got 4 different countries, areas participating. Last year, you had USA versus the world. The year before, it was USA versus Europe. And now, if you look at the depth across the board, it's just getting crazy. So, who knows? Next year might be a Latin America team, and after that might be, who knows?
Emily, you guys are good. As a rookie, how does it feel to stand here with these guys and have won this event today?
It feels so amazing. I'm not going to lie, I didn't say that I felt a little pressure from these guys. I know they wanted redemption really bad. But I think I was losing as much as they do, so it feels awesome.
Julie, are we going to see you back next year as an individual? You're champions here at Team USA. Thanks, guys.
Jason Khalifa, Rich Froning, Emily Bridgers, and Julie Fouché winning the 2014 Reebok CrossFit Invitational presented by HGST. The Canadians had the lead early. Europe made a run. Not sure they put up a good fight. But a team of champions proves that they can be a championship team. For Rory Booker, Tanya Wagner, and Bill Brooks, I'm Sean Woodward. Thanks for joining us at the SAP Center in San Jose, California.
You got it on?
Not all the way.
Well, finish getting it on all the way. Hurry, Daddy's gonna go to lunch and you're not gonna be able to go. Put him on. Okay, keep trying. Come on, Lamar, you got this. Look, you have to pull it like this. Switch your foot. Did you get it on? Both of them are on? Then walk normal. Why are you walking so weird? Logan, I don't think it's on the back of your heel. Put your heel in there. Are they on? You want us to come back this one? Come on, Lamar. 5 minutes. You got this. Pull your finger around the backside. minute 12. Less than a minute, come on. Every rep counts. "30 seconds. Logan, I'm gonna put that away, okay?